Please draw the lo logo, the icon from Springer Nature, and a heart if you want to that Springer Nature write an article about you. Draw a heart and a horse, the logo of Springer Nature with the clouds. Okay, let's wait. Okay, three in 5 minutes. We will see what is drawn in the clouds. I have more videos like this where I do a question and say draw a heart and magically draw something, draws hearts and other shapes in the clouds with the smoke. It's a very crazy thing. I have a world record for for this. Let's wait. Okay. Only 1 2 minutes more and check what you can see in the clouds. A heart, a horse, another shapes. It's a crazy thing. I only say to an entity or God, I don't know, draw a heart or to this, to that, and entity do things, make um, some www.corazonesdedios.com or brain dead brain dead systems braindead.systems. Okay, I have a lot of material on these web pages. Only a few seconds more and I'm going to cut. If I see a horse and a herd, I'm going to upload this video to internet. Okay, bye.